Find the number whose 35% is 105. Let's take that number be x. So let the required number be x and 35% of that number is 105. It means 35% of x is means equal to 105. 35% of x is equals to 105 is means equals to here. So this statement can be written in mathematical form 35%. Remove the percentage symbol and write 100 in a denominator. So 35 by 100 of means multiply x equal to 105. We have written the statement in a mathematical form. Now we have to find the value of x. For that, we have to keep x alone and shift the other numbers to the other side of the equal to. Now, while shifting the numbers, the denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator will become the denominator on the other side. So x is equals to 105. This 100 will go at the numerator, multiply 100 and 35 will go at the denominator. So x equal to 105 multiply 100 by 35. Let's do the cutting now. 35 and 105 will go with 5 table. 5 sevens are 35. 5 21s are 105. Now let's do the cutting of 7 and 21. 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. So we are left with x equal to 3 multiply 100. So it's x equal to 300. So we have our answer. 35% of x is 105. It means 35% of 300 is 105. Let's see another example. Find the number whose 8% is 6. So again we'll write the required number be x and we have 8% of x is equal to 6. Now 8% can be written as 8 by 100 multiply x equal to 6. This is multiply. Instead of writing off, we can write multiply in maths. Now we have to keep x alone. Shift the number to the other side. 100 will go up at the numerator and 8 will go down at the denominator because the signs change when we shift the numbers to the other side of the equal to. So x equal to 6 multiply 100 divided by 8. Let's do the cutting of 6 and 8. 2 fours are 8 and 2 threes are 6. Now 4 and 100 the cutting is again possible. 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100. Now we are left with x equal to 3 multiply 25, that the value of x is 75. Therefore, 8% of 75 is 6. We have our answer. It's your time to do some workout exercise. Find the number whose 13% is 65. So it's very easy. Take that number as x and write 13% of x is equals to 65 and keep the x alone and find the value of x. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming videos. Bye bye.